In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size of your recipe titles. So let's go ahead and flip to a recipe page. All right, it's my Halloween cookbook, so it's a little bit crazy, but what you do is you just flip to a recipe page and then go to this little edit icon over here on the side. Make sure your page title is selected, and if you're not sure, you can either tell by this little orange box, or you can go over here to this drop down and choose page titles. And you can just change it right here where it says font size, and you can say 30, you could say, you can go huge. I wouldn't recommend going that big. It can actually really throw off the way that your page is laid out. I would stay somewhere around the 16 to 24 area. So we'll go back to 20 over here. Now, keep in mind, if you hit save right now, this is going to change every page in your book. All of your recipe titles will be size 20, and that's okay usually. That's typically how it would work. You want every page to look the same and be consistent. However, if you're only changing this for this page, make sure you change this edit styling for drop down to this page only before hitting save. That way you can be sure it's just this page that you're changing. You can also, at this time, go ahead and if you're changing this to 20, you can also change the font face to anything else. You could do something cursive, some script text here. Could get a little crazy. Could go really basic with like Montserrat. Yeah, so you can also change the font color. Right now we only have these variations of gray because I don't have a premium theme, but if you had a premium theme, you could actually change this to a different color. It's any color you wanted. You can actually change the font style as well, so I could make this italic or I could make it really bold. So it's really up to you. You can also change the alignment right here. So there's tons of changes that you can make to make sure your book really is unique to you and your style. I hope that is helpful. If you have any more questions, you need any further assistance, please email support@createmycookbook.com. We're always happy to help. Thanks.